What's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to build a bot in Runescape. Now we're going to be using a programming language called autoit. As you can see, my bot is currently running. The bot does have a few glitches and bugs, but in later videos we'll take care of that. Right now I'm just going to make a simple bot that'll help in automating your wood cutting, as I'm doing here, or your fletching, make your life easier. You don't have to click as much. So this bot will drop the logs, it'll click on the color that's present. It's a color detection bot. And let's begin. These are my stats. I've been botting 70 wood cutting. Botting is like a dream. You don't even notice that you got 70 wood cutting. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to search autoit. This is the programming language we're going to be using. Go to the downloads page. Going to want to download this, and you're also going to want to download the editor. It really helps out, so definitely get it. Now I'm going to be writing the script, so I pre-wrote it. Don't worry about it. It's actually pretty short. This thing is very tedious, so don't worry about that. So first what we want to do is we want to open the old school Runescape window. So we're going to use a function called MouseClick. It's going to take an argument left and then the coordinates. Now if you downloaded autoit, you're in luck. It's because of this tool. The reason this tool is great is, look, take the tool, it'll tell you where your cursor is, what color's there, and it really helps out. So for example, here you can see the colors changing, the positions changing. It's really going to help. Let's go here. Let's go to where the old school Runescape is located and put them up. Coordinates, and we're going to just do one click and we're going to leave speed blank. There are no semicolons in this programming language and no data types, so don't worry about that. Now we're going to create a while loop and we're going to put other things in that loop. So we just want this program to run forever. This will definitely help us out a lot. Now, we're going to declare two variables, C1, which will be a function called PixelSearch. What this function does, it searches your screen, searches the specified area for a color. So in this case, we're going to use this tool, get this area, we're going to double click, paste it in here. Next we're going to go down here, get a new area, whichever one we want, paste it in here, and we're also going to get a new color, which will be this. Could be any color, just something on the tree, because that's where you're going to want to click. Now we're going to have another variable. It's going to be kind of a backup so we don't click in random places. We're going to copy and paste this. We're just going to change the color. I want this color over here. Then I'm going to paste it in. Now you could have more colors if you want to search for things to be sure that you're clicking on the tree or wherever you're going to be. So we're going to use a function called IsArray, because this thing returns an array. If the color is found, array is equal to true, and IsArray C2 true, then we're going to do all this. We're going to end it. Now what we're going to do here is we want to click where the color is found. To do this, we're just going to say MouseClick left C1. Remember how this returns array. We're going to want to click C1 at the 0th element and C1 at the first element. And we want to just click once. There you go. If we run this, it'll click on the tree and it'll chop logs. But now we encounter another problem. We could click on the tree, but when we have to drop this by ourselves to do this, we're gonna declare a variable called count. Set that equal to 0. Next, what we're going to do is make another if statement. If count is equal to 0, is equal to 5, sorry, then we're going to do something. First, we want to increment count every single time that we click. You could use any number. I like to say just 5. Now if count is equal to 5, then set count equal to 0. So we're going to reset the counter. Count plus or equals to 1, which is just shorthand for saying count is equal to count plus 1. We set count equal to 0 if count is 5. So we repeat, and we're going to just paste drop coordinates, which I said I did here. You're going to have to use this tool to tell you where exactly to drop everything. Paste that in. Save it. And just say test simple bot. Now I'm going to just drop a few logs. So if you want to get the position of this, your inventory box, the thing about it is Runescape screen moves, but in your inventory it never moves, so you could just use static coordinates. Just drag here. You're going to say you want to right click, and to do that you want to use the mouse click function and just specify right. And then left click where it'll say drop. Okay, so let's see if our script works. So as I was saying, there are a lot of bugs associated with and I did something wrong. Let me go back and check. I see, I didn't put a sleep function. Something we want to do is wait after each click. Just going to say sleep 7500, so there's something like that doesn't happen again. Now let's try it, which will just sleep for 7,500 milliseconds. And there, it works. So, whenever you want to close the script, you could go to Task Manager and close it. So this will really help. You could just not look at the Runescape screen when playing the game because skills are tedious. So this is a really simple script. Just want to educate people how to make it. So thanks guys for watching. I'm going to go over a few bugs that you might encounter later. For example, your character might move in here, like this direction one day because he clicks too slow. I'll show you guys how to counter that. So thank you guys and have a good day.